Let's cook vegetable sauce. Today I will be cooking vegetable sauce. I'm using green beans, carrots, onions, garlic and ginger. I'm using crayfish, minced meat. I'm gonna chop the vegetable, bell pepper, carrot. I'm chopping the carrot. And now I will chop the green beans and the onions. After chopping, I will steam the minced meat with extra virgin oil. I'm steaming the minced meat. I will be turning it until it cooks very well. I'm turning the minced meat. I'm adding the chopped garlic and ginger. I like using fresh garlic and fresh ginger. I'm adding the onions, chopped onions. Then I'll add the seasonings. I'm adding thyme. I'm using chili pepper, hot chili, and nutmeg. Also crushed chili. I use hot crushed chili. I like my food a little bit spicy. I added curry powder and mixed herbs. I will stir it until all the ingredients mixed together to bring out taste. I'm adding salt. I will stir. I'm adding raw crayfish. I like raw crayfish. I like using raw crayfish. And I'm gonna stir until all the ingredients mixed together. I'm stirring it. After stirring, I will add the chopped green beans and carrot. I'm adding the chopped green beans and carrot. I will use this sauce to eat rice. I want to use it to eat white rice. You can use it to eat pasta, spaghetti, wrap, bread, anything you want to use it to eat, you can use it to eat. Our body needs balanced diet. I will close it, allow it to cook to become tender. Now it's cooked and tender. I'm stirring it. After stirring it, I will add the chopped bell pepper and onions. I am putting it last because bell pepper can be easily tender when it's cooked. I don't like it too tender when it's cooked. So I'm stirring it. After stirring it, I will allow it to steam a little bit. As you can see, I'm stirring it to allow it to cook properly, and I allow all the ingredients to mix together. Now I will close it and allow it to steam a little bit. As you can see, it's ready now. It's ready. You can use it to eat whatsoever you want to use it to eat. Our body needs vegetable and all the balanced diet for healing, repair, and for good health. Now I will wash the rice. After washing, I will parboil it, and now it's ready. So come and enjoy with me. The food is ready. I'm eating it with white rice. Thank you for watching.